So now we have next problem on principle of inclusion and exclusion. Find the number of non-negative integer solutions of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18 under the conditions xi less than or equal to 7 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All xi must be less than or equal to 7. That's the condition now. So let me write the equation. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18 and they must be non-negative integer solutions and all xi less than or equal to 7. Okay, what will we do now? Let us take first let us take a set S. Let S denote the set of all non-negative integer solutions of the given equation. Okay, so S denotes the set of all non-negative integer solutions. How many solutions exist? So you must remember we used to solve this kind of problems using combinations with repetition. Okay, so here n value is 4 and r is equal to 18. So number of non-negative solutions is n plus r minus 1 CR, which is 18 plus 4, 22, 22 minus 1. So 21 CR 18. Okay, so we have mod S. Mod S means the number of non-negative solutions of this equation is 21 C 18. Okay, now let's consider a set A1 where it has all non-negative integer solutions of the given equations. Actually they are saying xi less than or equal to 7. We will take one of them is greater than 7. Okay, x1 is greater than 7. Later we can take the complement of this. Okay, don't worry why we are taking opposite. Later we will take the complement. So x1 greater than 7. Then remaining x2, x3, x4 are greater than or equal to 0, non-negative. One of them I am taking to be greater than 7. Okay, if we take, like we have done even this kind of problems. So what do we do when we have one value to be x, like x1 is greater than 7? So we do it as like x1 is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, then x2 is greater than or equal to 0, x3 is greater than or equal to 0, x4 is greater than or equal to 0. But you know that we can use this formula only for non-negative. Non-negative means greater than or equal to 0 thing. Okay, so what do? We take x1 minus 8. 8 you take to LHS is greater than or equal to 0. Then these things will be as it is. So let x1 minus 8, we write it as y1. Let y1 is equal to x1 minus 8. Okay. So now we have y1 is greater than or equal to 0. What does the equation become? Equation has x1. What is x1? y1 plus 8. y1 plus 8 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18. Okay, these are already non-negative. x2, x3, x4 are non-negative, so I am keeping them as it is. Since we had x1 greater than or equal to 8, I have converted it into this form because we want all variables to be non-negative. Okay, so this can be written as y1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 10. 8 you take to the RHS, it becomes 10. So how many solutions exist for this equation? Again the same formula, n plus r minus 1 CR. The same formula. What is n value here? N value is 4. What is r? R is 10. Okay, r value is 10. So n plus r minus 1 CR. So it is 13 C 10. Okay, so now let us take another set A2. What is A2? Here the solutions non-negative solutions, x1 is greater than or equal to 0, x2 is greater than 7, x3 is greater than or equal to 0, x4 is greater than or equal to 0. Like in A1, I took x1 to be greater than 7, remaining are just non-negative. In A2, I am taking set of all solutions where x2 greater than 7, remaining 3 are non-negative. So what will be mod A2? It will be same, because same concept goes on. Instead of x1, we take x2 greater than or equal to 8, the same procedure. So we get the same answer, 13C, 10. So even for A3 is a set where x3 is greater than 7. A4 is a set where x4 is greater than 7. Okay. So A3, here x3 will be greater than 7. Then x1, x2, x4 are greater than or equal to 0. And then A4 is the set of all integers where x4 is greater than 7. Then remaining 3 are greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so what is A3? What is mod A3? Size of the set A3 is same. It will be 13C10. Even mod A4, even that will be 13C10. Okay, next comes mod of A1 intersection A2. Fine. What do we mean by mod of A1 intersection A2? Size we will find later. So here we will have x1 greater than 7, x2 greater than 7, then x3, x4 will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the case here. So, we should take x1 is greater than or equal to 8, x2 is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, next x1 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. x2 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. Then now let x1 minus 8 be y1 and x2 minus 8, let's call it as some y2. Okay, now let's substitute in the given equation. First we have x1. What is x1? x1 is y1 plus 8. Next we have x2. It is y2 plus 8. Next we have x3. Then we have x4 is equal to 18. Okay. So if we solve the equation, we get y1 plus y2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 8 plus 8, 16. Take 16 to the RHS, we have 2. So n value is 4, r value is 2. So the number of non-negative solutions of this equation is n plus r, that means 6 minus 1, 5, c r, 5c2. Okay, same thing happens even if you take the other combinations, A1 intersection A3, A1 intersection A4, A2 intersection A3, A2 intersection A4, and it is same for even A3 intersection A4. Okay, next we have A1 intersection A2 intersection A3, intersection of 3 sets. Here what happens? x1 greater than 7, x2 greater than 7, x3 greater than 7, x4 is greater than or equal to 0. But can it happen? See, if all these are greater than 7, that means minimum, like they are greater than or equal to 8. Is it possible that these values are 8 or 8 or more, right? Greater than or equal to 8. Is it possible? 8 plus 8 plus 8. I am taking the minimum value 8. It can be 9, 10 or anything. Even if it's 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8, it's already becoming 24. 24 plus again this is something positive. Cannot be equal to 18. Right? So when you take the intersection of three sets, okay, whether A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A4, A2, A3, A4, none of them are possible. So AI intersection AJ intersection AK is not possible. Similarly, even the intersection of 4, that means all the 4 are greater than 7, even that's not possible. Okay, AI intersection AJ intersection AK intersection AL, even that is 0. Okay, now what's the next thing? They are asking like all of these integers must be less than or equal to 7. But we have taken a1 where x1 greater than 7, a2 where x2 greater than 7. So none of them must be greater than 7. So what do we want? We want a1 bar intersection a2 bar intersection a3 bar intersection a4 bar. That means x1 must not be greater than 7, x2 also must not be greater than 7. Similarly, x3, x4 also must not be greater than 7. It is given by S0 minus S1 plus S2 minus S3 plus S4. Okay. What is S0? S0 is mod S 21C18 minus S1. What is S1? S1 is nothing but summation of mod AI. That means this 13C10, then 13C10 plus 13C10 plus 13C10. So 4 times of 13C10. Okay, summation. You know, right? Mod A1 plus mod A2 plus mod A3 plus mod A4. Next, plus. Now take S2. S2 is summation mod of AI intersection AJ. That means we have to take these cases. A1 intersection A2, this. Okay, I mean intersection of all, intersection of two sets. Okay. That is how many times we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 times 5C2. Okay, then comes S3, but S3 we have seen it is 0, S4 also it is 0. So minus 0 plus 0. Calculate this. I think this comes around 366. Okay, you just check it. Okay, thank you guys.